Hello everyone, I'm Rakshith Pai and in this video I'll talk about one of the most awaited IPO, that is Adani Wilmar Limited. Is it worth subscribing? Adani Wilmar is a fast-moving consumer goods. It's a food company founded in 1999 as a joint venture between Adani Group and the Wilmar Group. Adani Wilmar business segments is divided into three parts. Number 1, edible oil under the brand name Fortune Oil. Number 2, packaged food and other FMCG products. In fact, upon getting listed, the company has capability to become one of the top 3 FMCG brands in India. And the third one is industry basics. Adani offers a wide variety of industry standard products such as oleochemicals, castor oil and its derivatives, and de-oiled cakes, etc. Before explaining this IPO any further, I want you all to check the link in the description. I have written a detailed article about this IPO. Adani Limited is a market leader in India's consumer product sector, having a dominant position in the brand edible oil and packaged food sectors. The business is expected to list at a price to earnings ratio of 37.5 times its market capitalization of 30,000 crores compared to its rivals like Nestle and Britannia Industries, which are trading at a PE ratio of 81.6 and 54.7 respectively. Adani Wilmar Limited had a profit after tax, that is PAT, of 727.65 crores in the financial year 2021-2. The company's PAT has increased 58% and the company's sales increased 25% year on year. Adani Wilmar Limited declared a net profit of 357.13 crore for the fiscal year ended September 30th, 2021 on a sales of rupees 24,957.29 crores. Number 1. Adani Wilmar's activities are dependent on a steady supply of raw materials such as unprocessed palm oil, soybean oil and sunflower oil, as well as wheat, rice and oilseeds. So import restrictions or even a low domestic production will severely affect companies' operations. Number 2, FMCG is a highly competitive industry. There are already well-established companies such as HUL, Dabur, Marico, etc. Number 3, seasonal changes could also have fluctuations in the results of the operation. Adani Wilmar Limited offers a wide range of FMCG and other products. It's a household brand with the capability of becoming one of the top 3 largest and finest FMCG companies in India. The financials of the company is reasonably good for an IPO that's going public around these days, and valuations are also comfortably priced. This company would not only provide a wonderful IPO listings premium, expecting at least 40% gains, but will also be a great addition to one's portfolio for a long-term perspective. With that said, I'll give 8 out of 10 ratings and I'll surely apply for Adani Wilmar IPO. For more information, check the link in the description. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.